Now Daniel O'Donnell is about to give a major boost to tourism in his native Donegal. A visitor centre dedicated to the singer, full of memorabilia donated by Daniel himself, is nearing completion in Dungloe. And our Northwest correspondent Eileen Magner got a sneak preview of what's in store for fans when it opens its doors next month.
I don't want to be the one who hesitates, be too shy.
There's no time to hesitate in Dungloe these days. It's all systems go to finish the Daniel O'Donnell Visitor Centre on time for the official opening by the man himself. Safely stored away, a huge array of memorabilia ready to go on display.
It's like an Aladdin's cave. We've got them from Australia, from the United States, from Canada, from Great Britain and all around Ireland. And of course, some of the highlights for Daniel would be This Is Your Life in 2002 with Michael Aspel, and Prince Charles awarding the MBE. There's the silver medal. Of course, your own RTE giving this here a Late Show for 30 years, the Dungloe Person of the Year. And we've got various gold, silver and platinum discs. And these things here represent approximately 12 million sales in gold, silver and platinum CDs and records.
The centre will also give an insight into some of the more private aspects of Daniel's life. The clothes he and Magella wore on their wedding day will be on display, and Daniel's best man says the singer is very supportive of the centre.
He thinks it's a wonderful idea because a lot of the stuff that he would have gathered up over the years would, unless there was something like this to show it off, the fans whom he shares so much with would never get to see it.
I want to dance with you.
The centre opens on the 6th of May. Daniel will perform the honours and a few songs, and already busloads of fans are planning to be there. Eileen Magner, RTE News, Dungloe.